The open house is a great event, so it gives opportunity for our clients to come here, see how the boats are made, meet the staff that make the boats, and also just experience these great gala events that you put on.
The open house has been wonderful. We've really enjoyed coming to Taiwan and looking through the factories and seeing an insight into how the boats are made. As an owner of the boat ourselves, it's really interesting, and to meet all the people who are involved.
I'm very happy to be here back in Kaohsiung after 4 years of not being here, which was too long. Absolutely, it's great to be back.
Without you, we cannot be success, we cannot be great. So thank you for coming. And I wish you enjoy tonight, and I wish you see you soon. Thank you very much.